Welcome back to the Tennessee Frugal Craftsman. I thought I would go over some house plans today. It's been a while since I did the front elevation, but this is my working plan that I have here. So I'll just kind of point out some things, any changes that we made. The very first thing is over here in the garage. We've actually made this instead of a 24 by 24. I listened to some of your comments and I've actually extended this to a 24 deep by 30 wide, which is going to give me more room for a two-car garage. One of the other things that we've got here on this particular layout, I have extended this portion out, this little bump out, which is my octagon area. I've extended that out another probably about 6 inches to allow a little bit more here in this corner for this deck and the corner of the house to kind of line up a little better. Other than that, this first floor is pretty much stable as far as in what we're doing. It's got the main dining areas out here in this 16 foot by the kitchen. I think overall is somewhere, by the time you come in on the pantry, 8 feet. This is almost 30 feet across here. So I've got enough room for an L-shaped kitchen and a nice big island. Again, this is kind of a work in progress as far as the layout of the cupboards themselves. This is kind of a rough layout at this point. But I've got a stove, the dishwasher, and the sink with obviously a window over the sink, and then I've got the fridge here heading into the pantry. Now eventually in the pantry I would like to have a stand-up freezer because the washer and dryer will be in here. The hot water tank is not going to be here. We're probably going to go with a tankless down in the basement now that we have a full basement. So that will be out of here, and this will be moved over some. The other change that we made was here in this particular bathroom. It's not a huge bathroom. It's just a downstairs ensuite to this particular bedroom for my daughter. What we're going to do is we're going to change out that corner shower, make this a little smaller here for the vanity, and put in a full length stand-up shower, fiberglass. What we found is that it was actually cheaper to do the fiberglass than it was to do the corner unit, and I preferred the fiberglass tubs because then you can actually do bathing in there as opposed to just a shower. So the first floor is pretty set. Again, this is a bedroom here, our first bedroom, and then this is the living room area with the entryway. We probably will put a half wall here just to kind of give a division. Not exactly sure yet. Again, this is another work in progress. Whether I go with a half wall, with a bench, some type of a deacon's bench for the kids to put their boots and stuff on, and maybe have storage underneath the deacon's bench with a fold up top. But that's kind of the thinking. And then of course the main deck, entrance deck. And there will be a set of steps up onto those. I made these plans, it's been probably 2 years ago now, before we changed and decided to go to a full basement. Now on the second floor, there have been some alterations here as well. This is again my working plan. One of the very first things that I did is I moved this particular deck around to the back. So that's going to be in the back area, and this, which was originally a bedroom, is an office, and so there will be instead of a window here, there will be a door going out onto that deck. So we actually have a second means of egress from the second floor instead of having to rely on the downstairs egress. What we're going to do is have that second one up here for the bedrooms. And of course this is the master bedroom. Now originally we had the bathroom here and a walk-in closet over here, but we have since changed this into the walk-in closet and put the bathroom over here in this area right here for the master bedroom suite. I'll show you another plan of that in a minute. This is bedroom 3, and this is going to be, because we can do 3 bedroom or only a 3 bedroom, this will be probably a sewing room of some sort. One of these 2 rooms will be that. And then this has the the upstairs bathroom for the kids. And originally, again, this was an attic hatch. I'll show you the way we changed this end of the plans to be able to put a set of stairs in. Now on the other stairs up to the attic, sorry, because we're going to have a walk-in attic. The other thing is on this end, this is our bonus room. This is going to be where the kids have their school room. So I've extended this out 6 feet. So instead of 24 by 24 as I noted downstairs, this is actually coming out another 6 feet. So they'll have a lot of room here. We've also, I listened to your comments on my elevation plan on putting in a dormer right here, so they'll be able to see out onto the main lawn area, the front yard. And so there'll be a dormer in here which will give them more light beyond that set of windows there. There'll be light here coming in because these walls are going to be lined on each side with bookcases, other than an access to get out into this storage area on each side. It's going to be, you know, wall to wall across here is going to be bookshelves about 4 feet high on that knee wall. So again, master bedroom, office, another bedroom in one of these will be a sewing room, and then the bonus room. Now let me just see if I can find my revised plan. Okay, this is obviously, the scale is larger on this. But what we actually have here is the revised plan for the master bedroom and where the bathroom is going to be in there. Instead of it being over in here, what we did is we did a walk-in closet. This allowed us to put a set of winders up to the attic. Over here is the same as far as the bathroom and whatnot, the office. I did change these doors and put them in on 45s. To give access to get stuff into these rooms, because I found when I put this set of steps in here, I didn't really have enough room to get my doors in. It would have been straight in, and it's hard to get stuff turned if you're trying to bring in mattresses and whatnot. So this here is actually going to be so I can bring, you know, the master bedroom material in, all of the beds and the dressers and whatnot. And again, on this side we actually put as you can see here, we put the small bathroom. It's not a large bathroom. I know some bathrooms, people make them huge. I'm more for the living area. In and out of the bathrooms, take your shower, get ready for work and get out. So I made my bathroom smaller. Except for this main one here. This is a little bigger for the kids. And again, at this time, at this particular juncture, I had set it up so I was going to put a flue in here, or a chimney. That'll probably end up on the outside, so it'll give me more room for linen closets and whatnot, and the window out here. So this was my revised plan at this point, and coming down the road when I get building, there's a few other surprises that we're going to add to this, but overall this is kind of our layout. I was just kind of toying around with where a king-size bed would fit in here. Don't know whether we'll turn it and put it in this area or leave it over here. But yeah, this is kind of the plans at this point. And so I am working away at it. I'm working away at it. We're hoping to get some excavation done here tomorrow. I come in this morning and got everything marked out here again, because we had a lot of rain, so I got all the lines repainted, and my excavator guy's coming in tomorrow morning, so we're going to start digging. I haven't got back. I've only dug the 2 walls in the garage area, as I noted in one of my other videos. We've just had so much rain that I haven't been able to get back onto the property. So that is the plan for tomorrow. So we'll be looking for that video of the excavations that are coming. So we are going to start making progress, hopefully, and I can put these plans into motion. It's been over a 2-year process at this point, but at least we're getting there. So I appreciate you joining me for this video. Again, be looking for some others. I'm coming up on my Christmas break, so hopefully I'll be doing a lot more moving forward. So until next time, as always, you have a wonderful day.